Hi everyone, welcome back to Rihana's Kitchen Corner. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to do mango pudding. This quick and easy mango dessert is a no gelatin, no agar-agar dessert you can make during this season. With the sweet mangoes, you will have a delicious dessert in no time. For this recipe, we needed 2 ripe mangoes. I'm going to make a puree out of it. After cutting the mangoes, you can put this in the blender along with a half cup of sugar and 1 1/4 cup of milk and blend it well to make a smooth puree. After making the puree, you can transfer this to a saucepan and you can add 2 pinches of salt and mix it well. Now we have to make a slurry with 1/4 cup of milk and 1/4 cup of cornstarch. Stir it well and keep it aside. You can use any kind of molds, any size or any shape. Make sure to grease the molds and keep it. Put the saucepan on medium flame. Keep stirring it well so that the whole mix gets well blended. When it starts to boil, you can continue cook for another 5 more minutes until the mixture starts to bubble. Once it starts bubbles, at this stage you can lower the flame. You can add the cornflour slurry and quickly mix well to combine everything. When it starts to boil, cook on 5 minutes until the mixture starts to bubble. Keep stirring the mix to prevent any lumps. You can continue cooking for another 5 more minutes and then remove the pan once it starts bubbling and thickens. At this point, you can add 1 teaspoon of lemon juice to balance the taste. Make sure to add lemon juice at the very end, otherwise the milk will curdle. You can transfer the mix immediately to a grease balls. And once it cools down, make sure to tap few times, and once it cools down, refrigerate for at least 2 hours. I refrigerate, I am going to unmold the mango pudding. You don't need to do it this way. You can actually eat directly from the bowl itself. I actually put it in individual servings. That is very easy. Finally, I'm going to garnish with fresh mangoes and mint leaves. Detailed recipe, I will share it in the description box. Hope you will try this at home and let me know your feedback. Thanks for watching everyone. Hope you like this video. I'll see you soon back with another exciting video. Bye. Take care.